my friends from Chattanooga, Tennessee. How did I get here? I don't know. It's my first time here. I don't even know why I'm here. Actually, I do know why I'm here. I'm here to run a marathon. I'm here to run 26.2 miles. My friend Mindy said, hey, come run our marathon. So I'm here. I'm here at the Seven Bridges Marathon. This is one of the bridges right here. And it's dark because, well, it's early in the morning. It's a little colder than I thought Tennessee would be, but you know what? My favorite way to explore a new city is by running. And I'm gonna see 26 miles of Chattanooga today. It's gonna be beautiful. Hopefully gonna make some new friends. I'm gonna show you some beautiful sights of a stunning city in the south, and have a great day. You know what I love? I love early morning pump up music at races. Gets me going. Nothing like a little techno at 6:30 a.m. Is this the warm up party? Yeah. Yeah, all right, I like it. I'll warm up here. We are heading to the start line, which is really good. I want to start running so I can warm up. It is cold out. All right, here we go. Another race. It's crazy. I've been doing this all my life, ever since I was a little kid. Running, running, running. The goal today is to have a lot of fun. Usually when I start a race, I want to run as fast as I can. Not this race. I just want to cruise and get to know the city and have fun. That's the number one goal. Have fun. I can do that, right? The number two goal is to warm up. It's really cold out. We are on bridge 1 of 7. I actually think there's 8 bridges we're gonna run over today. Pretty cool. I like this colorful art right there. That's cool. Here's a pro tip for anybody out there wanting to run a marathon for the first time. Just walk through the aid stations. Just get your water, just chill, stop, enjoy it, and then start running again. Let's get a high five. High five, thank you. High fives really just charge me up. I don't need anything else besides high five. Look at that outfit, I love it. You know, woo, yes. Oh, you know what, I love aid stations. Not so much because of the water and the Gatorade, but because everybody at aid stations are always psyched. Because a half marathon just started. That's who all these people are. Good morning, everybody, good work, good work. Keep it up, keep it up. Whew. I find that if I cheer for other people while I'm in the race, it in turn pumps me up. This must be bridge number 2. Look at this view. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a beautiful way to wake up on a Sunday morning, right? Another thing I really like about marathons is that you can stop and go to the bathroom. If you're running a 5K or a 10K, it's really gonna affect your time if you stop and go to the bathrooms. Marathon, there's no hurry. It's more important to be comfortable. Okay, let's go. Yeah, yeah. All right, we're on bridge number 3, and the sun has just come up, and it feels so good. You know what I like about this race? That we're running along a lot of these cool pedestrian paths. They're all wooded in the parks. It's beautiful. What I really like about running along these paths is that you can run in the grass along the side, and it's just less impact on your body. All the pavement really does a number on me. All right, we're on bridge number 4. Only 4 more to go. How you feeling?
Feeling good.
Feeling good. All right, 13 miles, you know what that means. Halfway there. Halfway in a marathon is the point where you kind of relax, you get your breathing set, you get your stride going on your feet right there, and you get ready for the next 13 miles. I see some music right here. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Thank you for the dance break. See you guys later. Thank you. Yeah. Here's another pro tip for running a marathon. It might seem counterintuitive, like a waste of energy, but I recommend dancing whenever possible. Again, takes your mind off running, takes your mind off the pain, puts you in a happy place. Woo, we're on a big bridge right now. That's the Tennessee River down there. And this is a highway. These cups are not full of Gatorade or water, they're full of gummy bears. Thank you guys, you're the best. How do you drink gummy bears? Oh, these gummy bears are hard to eat. They're very chewy. How you doing, brother, man?
Hey, man, I'm doing good.
Woo!
What are you guys doing today?
Oh, you know, we're just running.
Hey, it's a good day for it.
It's a good day for running. Mile 17, buddy. We got this. Mile 17. These are the miles where you start making friends. You're like, oh, you're in pain. Let's talk.
Yeah, exactly.
Help me get my mind off the pain. What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin from Canada.
Windsor.
Windsor, Canada. His first ever marathon.
Hi, Colorado.
Hi, you feeling good?
No.
I think I'm on bridge number 6 right now. I don't remember, but this one has a great view. Look at this. I think I'm at about mile 20-ish, and this is when a marathon really starts. Usually mile 20 is when it gets hard. That's when you need to dig deep and just enter the pain cave, embrace the pain, put your head down, think happy thoughts, and move forward. That's all you can do, one foot in front of the other. Looking awesome, high five, high five, high five, high five, high five. All right, we are back on my favorite pedestrian riverfront path. I like it here. I'm a fan of Chattanooga. Boom, high five. All right, the volunteers need love too. It's moments like these in a race. You know, I'm looking at the finish line pretty soon, and I just get overwhelmed with a feeling of gratefulness. Like, I'm so grateful that my body can do this, that I have the strength to run 26 miles and do it mostly with a smile. And it's just fun. You know, I've been a runner all my life, ever since I was a little kid. When I was a kid, I could never have fathomed running 26 miles. That just seems crazy. I always ran 5 and 10 Ks, but it's totally possible. You just keep moving one foot in front of the other, and you get there. And it's not just me. Everybody's getting there. Everybody around me. They're accomplishing a huge goal. And that's cool. Can I get a high five? Yeah, buddy. Woo, yeah. You know, I really like this race. It doesn't have the huge numbers of New York or Boston and live music on every corner, but it does have a very good, tight-knit community feeling. All the volunteers are just psyched to be out here, even in the cold. They're high-fiving, and it's just fun. Cool. Bike share. You know me. I love bikes. I just need to get to that bridge that way, and I'm home free. This is cool right here. This is a bamboo forest. Reminds me of being in Asia. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. All right, this is the last bridge. Woo! Coming into the straightaway. High five. High five. All right. Yes! Woo! My favorite feeling in the world is the finish line. Here we go, finishing strong. High five!
Way to go!
Woo, thank you! Bam! Woo! Feels good. Thank you, Chattanooga. Thank you, 7 Bridges Marathon. That was awesome. You got a cool city. Oh, thank you. Woohoo! Blue Rhino, baby. Look at that guy. Thank you.